I was working in an n8n workflow. So yeah, this is an HTML file. It's coming out, okay, and we are getting an invoices HTML file, and we need to convert this HTML file into the PDF, okay. For that, we search in the n8n nodes, which is like convert, okay, convert to, and we search around this. So there is not an HTML file to the PDF file, or even there is not a PDF conversion available at the moment, okay. So for that part, I just find a best way like right now. So this is a platform called Convert Fleet, okay. You can find the link of it in our description of this video, okay. So you just need to create an account on this, okay. It's very simple. You just have to enter your email and password and you can get access to this. Then you have to come up to the API, and then you can see there's an API documentations, and then you have to select the specific format. In our case, there is an HTML file, okay, and as you can see, there are tons of like HTML, HTML5 and HTML5 one page, and HTMLZ also available here, okay. Let's click on this, and the targeted is the PDF. So yeah, it is okay. So we got this. Right now there is an two options available. One is the file upload and there is an text upload. Text upload means you can add the text instead of files if you have the file, so you can also use this, okay. And you can see there are tons of formats available you can use, like Java, Kotlins, Swift, Pythons, JavaScripts, okay. All of things are there, okay. So right now we need to configure this using the HTTPS, okay. So we just copy this, okay, and let's go back to this, okay, and now click on this, and we need to search for HTTPS, okay. So yeah, let's click on this, and let's click on import, okay, and let's paste it here, and let's click on import, okay. So as you can see, it has already added our API keys, so you don't need to juggle around the API keys adding and removing like that. So it is, as you can see, it has already configured the API keys like that, okay. So then you need to go down, okay, and there is an thing remaining, which is an input data field name. So there is, the name is file. So let's copy this same to same and let's paste it here, okay. And let's click on execute, okay. So it is processing at the moment. Give us the output, okay. Let's click on download. So yeah, we get this PDF format. So yeah, as you can see, this is the output. You can see, let I zoom out, okay. So you can see this is the output, like this is before and this is after. This is HTML and this is PDF, okay. So if you want to get access to this convert fleet, you can get access to it. You can just directly go to convertfleet.com and you can use this platform. Thank you.